Dear students, welcome to the online class. I think you are well. I am also well. Look at the TV screen. You can see my identity and it's my subject. Dear students, look at the TV screen and what can you say in the picture? Gauge it. Can you gauge it? I think you can do it. It's a tag. Next, it is a shirt. The third picture is coming here. What can you see? A tag, a shirt with a tag. Yes, it is. Thank you. Dear students, look at the TV screen. Here is a sentence. Rana is a player. Here is a marking word, isn't he? Easily, a question arises your mind. What is it? Look at the TV screen carefully. What is this? The answer is question tag. Question tag. Next, dear students, so our today's class is on tag question unit 8 part 1. After this lesson, you will be able to define tag question, identify tag operators, apply tag, last of all, different use of tag. Understand clearly? Now we are going to the next. What can you see? A man. He wants to say something. This man also talks with this man. You have done your duty, haven't you? It's underlined words, haven't you? So, tag, what is tag mean? Tag means adding something with others. Tag means we adding with some others. Dear students, in our everyday life, we use a tag in different purposes of our life, daily life. So, in this way, we can define about tag question. A tag question is a short question that is used at the end of the statement to get the support from the listener. Do you understand it easily? Dear students, now we can know about what is tag question. Next, What can you see in the picture? He is a driver or operator. You also know in different activities we use driver. Without driver nothing can move we. Next, a car driver or operator. Tag questions also has some operators. What are these? You have to look at the TV screen carefully. Section 1, these operators are am, is, are, was, were, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, have, has, had, must, ought, dare, need. Next, second step A, do, does and did. You can also know about the operators of the tag questions. These are here. Dear students, I hope you can understand it easily. Now we are going to the next term. Tag questions, basic contraction form of the operators. Here I have to describe something with you. What is this? These are the operators of tag questions. You have to know if the statement is positive form, the tag question will be negative, and if the statement is negative, the tag will be affirmative. So when you are going to write the negative form of the operators, then you have to write it instead of it. Here is written am not, but it is incorrect. You have to write it aren't, ain't or ain't. Is not, you have to write isn't. In this way you can follow these. It is called the construction form of the operators. You have to write in this form. You cannot write full form of auxiliary verb, and not cannot be written in full form, not not. Can you understand it clearly? Yes, I think you can understand easily. Next, dear students, follow the TV screen. How to form a tag question? I have already tell you about it, but I want to recall it again. Dear students, number 1, structure in positive statement. When the structure in positive form, the tag will be negative. Can you notice here? Sharna is a beautiful girl, isn't she? This time I have also a point to inform you. Probably a question is arise in your mind. What is it? I recall you. You have to write the statement's subject in pronoun. Notice it, Shorna. Here is Shorna. But in the text section portion, we have to write she. I think you can understand it clearly. Thank you. Next, here is the rule. A statement. Shorna is a beautiful girl. It is a statement. Next, operator. Isn't. Next, subject. In the bracket, it is written in pronoun. Clear? It is? I think you can understand nicely. Dear students, follow the next structure. Structure 2. Structure in negative statement. Structure in negative statement. When the sentence or the statement is negative, the tag question will be positive or affirmative. It is the rule to form a tag question, a statement, comma, operator and subject's pronoun form. Clear? Dear students, now we are going to next. How will you add tag if there is no operator in the sentence? I have already told you what is operators. You have noticed there are 24 auxiliary verbs in the English sentences. So they are the operators of tag questions. But if there is no operator in the tag question, in the statement, how can you form a tag question? Now we are discussing about it. Follow it. My mother cooks very well. Here is a statement and there is no operator. But we can look it. The verb is cooks. Here s or es is added with the verb. When the s or es will be added with the verb, we have to use does as a operator to do a tag question. Clear? Now look at doesn't she, because s or es. Next, dear students, what can you see? We play football regularly. The verb is play and no operator in this sentence. So the verb is present form without s or es. Then we use don't to make a tag question. Next, the students follow it. He went to market yesterday. Above two sentences, we find the verb is present form. First one, S or es is added with the sentence, and second play without S or es. Third sentence, he went to market yesterday. Here it is a noticeable matter. Went. What do you mean by went? It is the past form of go verb. So when the verb is past form, you have to use did to make a tag question. Now look at the TV screen. Didn't he? Can you understand? I think you can understand it clearly or easily. I have already discussed with you some rules to how to make a tag questions. Now look at the blackboard. Here is a notes mentioning the three sentences. Notes are here. If there is V1 means basic form of verb, verb present form. With S or es, a tag with doesn't or does. Doesn't oblique does. If you find V1 without S or es, add tag with only don't or do. If you find V2 means the past form of verb, add tag with didn't or did. When the sentence will be present affirmative, you have to do tag in negative. Dear students, we have already discussed with you some rules about tag question, how to make a tag question. Now, I want to give you some homework. You will do it at home. Clearly, the homeworks are here. You can write it. Number 1, Raju was a brilliant student. You can also see in the TV screen. Number 2, you are not a farmer. Sorry, dear students, here is a spelling mistake. You have to write F-A-R-M-E-R. Clear? Number 3, we have made a plan. Number 4, they cannot do this work now. Number 5, Abida may come tomorrow. Next, number 6, mother does not drink tea. Number 7, we go to school regularly. Number 8, Mita plays badminton well. Number 9, father bought a pen. Number 10, we should not disobey our parents. Have you written it? Dear students, it is a task to do at home, that means homework. I think you have already written it. So, today, no more. Today, please, I hope you are well. You will be also well. Thank you very much. See you again the next class. Thank you.